In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a report manually using the Auditchain Suite, the Luca financial report creation tool. So, to create a new report, create an accounting equation. It's going to be pretty basic. It'll show you the different pieces involved in creating a report. So, I have a new report, and I have to fill in this information, the base information. I'm going to add a local taxonomy. This is kind of like we're going to fix that. Accounting equation, a namespace identifier, the name of the taxonomy schema, the default language. I'll just use English. This is the base information. So now I want to add the terms. Add a term, the prefix, accounting equation. The type of term is a concept. The term is, first term is assets. Name is assets. This is the label. This is the name. Data type is monetary. It is an instant, and it is a debit. I save that. I'm going to add the second term. Accounting equation, a concept, liabilities, data type monetary, instant. It's a credit, and the concept, equity. Again, monetary, instant, and a credit. So I have to add one more. I pressed it twice. I saved it twice. Delete that one. I got to add one more because I need to use that to hook the other concepts too. This is going to be an abstract concept. It is going to be the name is and there is no data type, period type, or balance type on an abstract concept. I'm going to save that. So there I have my concepts. So I don't need any more labels. I'm not going to put in references to keep this short. I'm going to create one structure, the accounting equation, is in a balance sheet. I'm going to create associations. So I'm going to add an association, presentation, the balance sheet structure from this concept, parent-child relationship, to assets, standard label. I'm going to add a second structure to the balance sheet for liabilities. And I'm going to add a third presentation to the balance sheet. Equity. Number 3. And those are the associations. The rule, there's one rule. It's a consistency rule. the rule code we'll call BS1 for balance sheet 1. The rule is equals plus equity. It computes the concept assets. It's within the structure balance sheet, and I could put in some commentary, but I don't need that. Then I'm going to add some facts. That's the entity identifier with a so I'm not going to explain this. I'm going to do this for assets has a value of 1,000. The units are US dollars. The rounding is infinite. Fact ID we don't need, and the sequence we don't need. I think that's been fixed. Yes, it has. The second, so I entered 1, so now I automatically get that. I entered this, the concept liabilities. Let's say this is 500. Don't need that, don't need that. And the third is the same entity, the same period, equity. This has got to be 500 because assets was 1,000 and liabilities was 500, so that's got to be 500. Don't need that. And I'm done.